Kitchen decor. Trends, stylish ideas for above cabinets. Hey everyone! If you're looking to elevate your kitchen style, today's video is all about the latest trends in decorating above your cabinets. Whether your space feels empty or outdated, we've got fresh, stylish ideas to make that space pop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips. First up, the minimalist trend. Many homeowners are opting to keep this area clear for a sleek, modern look. This works best if you have high ceilings and beautiful cabinetry that speaks for itself. Less clutter, more elegance. Plus, keeping it empty makes cleaning easier and helps your kitchen feel more spacious. If you want just a touch of decor, consider a single statement piece like a decorative bowl or a modern sculpture. Next, let's talk about bringing nature indoors. Greenery above the cabinets adds life, freshness, and a pop of color to your kitchen. Consider artificial plants if maintenance is a concern, or real ones like pothos and ivy for a cascading effect. Adding herbs like basil or rosemary can also be a great functional touch, keeping fresh ingredients within easy reach. Just be mindful of watering needs and proper sunlight placement. Trend 3. Baskets and textured storage. Baskets are a big trend in 2025. They add warmth, texture, and extra storage. Choose woven or rattan baskets for a rustic or farmhouse touch. Plus, they're practical for storing rarely used kitchen items. Try labeling them with stylish tags to keep things organized and mix different sizes for a more dynamic look. Whether you're storing extra linens, seasonal decorations, or pantry overflows, baskets keep everything looking tidy yet stylish. Trend 4. Artwork and statement pieces. Art isn't just for living rooms. Adding framed prints, vintage signs, or even sculptural pieces above your cabinets creates a curated personal touch. Stick to cohesive colors to keep it visually appealing. If you love a rustic feel, consider wooden signs with inspirational quotes. For a contemporary vibe, abstract prints or geometric designs can add a modern touch. Layering frames at different heights can also create a unique gallery effect. Lighting can transform any space. Adding LED strips or small spotlights above cabinets creates a cozy and stylish ambience, especially at night. Warm white tones work best for a soft, inviting glow, while color-changing LEDs let you customize the mood to fit any occasion. Smart lighting options allow you to control brightness and colors with your phone or voice assistant, making your kitchen even more functional and stylish. Trend 6. Glass jars and collectibles. Displaying glass jars, antiques, or a collection of favorite kitchenware gives your space personality. Just be sure to arrange them in a way that doesn't feel cluttered. Group items by size and color for a balanced look. If you collect vintage teapots, colorful ceramics, or heirloom dishware, this is a great place to show them off. Consider adding floating shelves above your cabinets to provide extra structure for displaying your items neatly. A lesser-known but highly effective decor trend is using mirrors. Placing mirrors above your cabinets can create the illusion of a larger, brighter space. This is especially useful for smaller kitchens or rooms with limited natural light. Opt for decorative mirrors with interesting frames or even mirrored tiles for a sleek and modern effect. Reflecting light and colors from around the room helps make the kitchen feel more open and airy. Trend 8. Vintage and antique finds. For those who love a more timeless or eclectic look, vintage and antique pieces add instant charm. Old copper pots, vintage signs, or rustic wooden crates can all be repurposed into decor that tells a story. Flea markets and thrift stores are great places to find unique treasures that can enhance the personality of your kitchen. Mixing old and new creates a balanced, lived-in feel that's both stylish and nostalgic. And there you have it. 8 creative ways to style above your cabinets and keep your kitchen looking fresh and trendy. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.